What is going on, you guys? Welcome back. We actually just got back in from Vegas last night. We're at the shop here today. I'm hanging out with my son. He just told me that my drive shaft, my one-piece drive shaft for the GTR is in. So we're here to try to get everything done. Special thanks to DSS for sending this drive shaft. That was quick. Usually there's a long wait for it, but they had this thing done for us in literally like 8 or 9 days. So it's a one-piece aluminum drive shaft. Unfortunately, I couldn't go with the carbon one. You know, a lot of money's being spent, so pockets aren't that deep, but this will be perfect. It'll be a lot better than what we have on there right now. Wow, it looks pretty cool, huh?
This is gonna handle the power now. Oh wow, and they give you hardware too.
Cool. Driveshaft shop. My God, that is so hard to say. So yeah, DSS hooked us up. Special thanks to Lee Majors as well. He gave me a really good deal on this. I do really appreciate it. So anyway, you're gonna hang out with us a little bit. We're gonna be putting this drive shaft in. Leave us your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Obviously we got footage from our vacation here as well.
Your vacation?
Well, yeah, I didn't have a lot of footage. Don't get me wrong. I mean, as soon as the wife saw the camera, she's like, "You got to be kidding me!" So I mean, it's like I wasn't vlogging the whole time I was there. We wanted to make sure we took some time off. It was literally just 4 days. We wanted to take some time off and catch up on things. But nevertheless, we're glad you guys are hanging out with us. Leave us your thoughts and yeah. What did you say? Did you have something to say?
No.
What do you have to say? You have nothing to say?
I want to go fast.
You want to go fast?
Because if you ain't first, you're last.
Yeah, everybody wants to go fast.
Ricky Bobby.
Yeah. All right. Well, anyway, enjoy the video, you guys. Thanks. That's good. Look at your face. Huh?
It's the cover. Look at that sound. Okay, all we gotta do is just take this off. And then just these Allens, and that's it. Alright, so obviously everybody knows a drive shaft's not that technical or intricate of a job. GTRs, they have Allens here that connects to the diff, and then this still being stock, you still have, technically a two-piece drive shaft. So you just take off this section here, and then 417s and the drive shaft's off. So then you eliminate having this centerpiece here, which can twist if you got a lot of power, and they're stock, so they're weak.
Yeah, that mount is already going anyway. I can literally hear it.
And then another thing that I noticed back here is the diff, the rear one, is actually leaking a little bit, so hopefully it's either just a little loose or not the gasket or the gasket maker is bad. I'm not sure. I really hope it's not, because then this is going to be a lot of work to drop it. Otherwise, I'm hoping it's just loose or the drain plug is just loose. So hopefully it's one of the two simpler things than
yeah, it doesn't look too bad
dropping the diff. So yep.
All right, well, let's get to work. So the one thing that we noticed, which is crazy, is the weight difference. My God, I mean, it's amazing, and it's funny because this drive shaft actually looks bigger. Yeah. You know, obviously being aluminum, clearly, but big difference. Looks good though. Can't wait to put this thing on. So yeah, let's get right at it and get this thing fit in here.
All right, so we just finished up the drive shaft. As you know, we said before, is pretty straightforward. I mean, the quality's super nice, everything lined up. And then one thing that Mr. RB Power was noticing was every time, whether it was mid shift or kind of putting some power down, we kept hearing like a clicking sound, mostly from the back. So obviously, having the car on the lift, we figured we checked the rear subframe, being that it's mostly all new, you know, control arms, the subframe itself, diffs, axles, and I actually noticed, just tightening everything and checking, that all the, like, you can literally see the differential bolts, like, were all loose.
Yeah, so we just got done tightening everything up. Everything was
loose. That one's loose. This one's loose. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna snug it all up, and hopefully that'll solve the issue of the clicking sound, because that is dangerous. Because if you're making this much power and you're dumping it down, this can twist, especially a car that, you know, all-wheel drive or launches hard on the track. I mean, this could twist and you could break it.
Always check, you guys. That's one thing we always say, that, you know what, it doesn't hurt to put a car on the lift. And if you don't have a lift, my God, you just jack up your car, you get under it, and just check a lot of stuff, especially when you're wanting to build something high horsepower. Everything shifts, everything moves, everything loosens. It's always safe to check stuff. I mean, we do. I mean, what do we put this up every 2-3 months? Yeah. Every 2 to 3 months we put it up on the lift just to make sure that everything is tight, everything is okay, everything checks out okay. You know, it's just a precaution, really. It takes 20 minutes to go over some of the more important stuff, but we're excited to take it for a quick ride. We're going to take it for a quick ride just to see.
And anybody that builds crazy track cars, I mean, anybody knows, do your check over. Yeah. And obviously, if you don't have a reason to, you don't need to, but I mean, when you're putting down this much power and you're hearing clicking sounds, then yes, obviously you want to check.
True.
So
true. But
better safe.
Anyway, we hope you guys are enjoying the video. Make sure you guys leave us any questions, remarks, anything you want to ask.
Also, have you guessed what car we have shipped in yet?
Yeah, don't forget, we also stated clearly, okay, we're coming up with a video. We just imported a new car. So we're telling everybody, we want to see who's going to guess. I mean, the winner is going to get a banner, an RB Power banner. I'll show you what it looks like.
Yeah, we have 3 different colors.
Yep.
But you get them.
We have 3 colors. Winner gets an RV Power banner, which is like this one. There you go.
White, red.
We have white, red, and gray, silver. White, red, white, red, and silver. So, you know, let us know. Leave us your comments. You know, whoever, of course, guesses right, we'll let you know.
And again, the only hint, it's silver.
Yeah, it's a silver car.
It's a green car.
Okay, we just imported, so it'll be pretty cool. But anyway, all right, well, we hope you guys are enjoying the video. Thank you, everybody, for the continued support. We're continuously growing and growing, which is so awesome. We can't thank you guys enough. So, you know, yeah, I guess all I can say is thanks. So we're all done. Everything is all set. We're gonna go for a ride real quick now.
Hold on.
He's just going over, double checking everything. Of course, special thanks to all of our Greek viewers overseas. Σας ευχαριστούμε όλους για τη συμπαράσταση, παιδιά. Είσαστε φοβεροί. I know we use Petrolheads GR. We have the 200SX Elas group. Να είστε καλά όλοι, μας βοηθάτε, μας συμπαραστέκεστε.
What was
What's going
There's
on,
another
everyone?
member coming in. What's going on, bro? How you doing, man?
Good, man. Tired.
Good. We just got done doing the drive shaft. So
Nice.
yeah, it's pretty cool, man. It was really nice. It was really nice. Josh in the house, you guys know Josh. He's got the S2000. He's got the yellow Honda
EJ8.
EJ8. Oh God, I'm pathetic.
MT2, the white car.
Yeah, I'm pathetic. Sorry, bro.
Serial numbers here, Mike. I just said EK
Well, hey, you know what? In all fairness, listen to his brother when he was doing the vlog the other day. He goes to interview a guy, and he's like,
S13.
he didn't know if it was an S13, an S14. So, I mean, you know, hey, that goes to show you we're one big happy family. You know, it doesn't matter if we have Hondas, Nissans, we've got Subarus in the house, we got everything. But, all right, well, let's go take this this pig for a ride. We'll see how she responds. All right, we ready? All right, cool. Josh, what you got going on, man?
Well, Miata came in from a customer, bought a wet sand and buff the Miata.
Sweet.
It's one of my buddy's cars, and this thing is sweet, man. It's boosted. A little
Whoa.
Miata.
Cool. Hey,
Roll
let
cage
me
and
check
all.
it out, man. Let me check this thing out.
Check it out. I like the color. It's a little dirty until I buff it out. And
Looks
stuff.
really cool, though, man.
It's a different
These things are fun, man. They're so much fun to drive.
It's like a copper color. I already started sanding it over here and stuff, so get there.
Nice.
Yeah, wow. It looks black
Okay,
from
yeah,
a distance until light hits it.
Hey, pop the hood.
Up in there, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh man, look at that.
That's actually pretty cool.
Cool.
It's my first time checking it out as well.
Nice, nice.
This is sweet. It sounds very nice when I drove
This
it
your
down
buddy's
this
car
way.
he's in?
Yep, my buddy Josh.
Cool, man. We'll hit him up. We'll tag his Instagram on here, you guys.
Yep.
So it'll literally, the Instagram will be right here. You guys will see it. Give him a follow. It's a pretty cool looking car. I'm sure it must be a fun car. Must be a real fun car.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's a pretty color.
Oh yeah,
Look at that
that is
color.
pretty cool.
Wait until I give it that magic touch.
Yeah,
You
wow.
guys check it
Yeah,
out afterwards.
imagine
This
when
thing
it's
must look sick in the sun, man,
Oh,
when it's
yeah.
gonna be all done. Wow.
Imagine what's in it.
Sweet, sweet. Cool, man. Thanks for letting us know. All right, well, we're gonna go take this thing for a ride finally. I think I've said it like 4 times, so. Okay, well, car is off the lift. We're gonna go take it for a quick spin right now, just to, you know, change a couple gears and see how the car feels. Obviously, see if there's any difference.
Make sure
yeah.
there's nothing wrong.
Exactly.
Axles, drive shaft.
So we're gonna do a little bit. We're gonna do a small little launch just to see. Of course, it's in rear-wheel drive. We're just gonna nothing crazy, just to kind of see from first to second how it's gonna take off. Check and see, of course, how the gear is gonna shift, if it's gonna make any noise, anything for that matter. So let's give it a shot. So
Wow. I'm not recording anymore.
that was actually pretty smooth. You could literally feel the car, even with the shift from first to second while it was spinning gears. It actually shifted pretty cool. No issues, no problems. So that's something we're definitely looking for. Obviously, there was no traction, but we're going to try it also with all-wheel drive. Not right this minute. I just want to make sure we double check some other things. But yeah, everything looks good. Everything checks out okay. Shifted good, right? He's got a smile on his face, so that should be okay.
That actually hooked.
Yeah, it hooked pretty good. It went pretty
Tires
good.
being cold too. You
Yeah.
just dumped it.
It is a cold day too. We're in the upper 60s.
For Florida, that's cold.
Yeah, car is at 145 degrees, so it's good. It was good. So yeah, job well done. Hope you guys liked the video.